Hello, my name is Vega, and today I'm going to show you how you can be able to use GitHub Copilot and as well how to be able to use it into your Visual Studio. So the first thing you need to do is sign up. Right here is a sign up where you once you sign up, it just like automatically tell you you're in the waiting list. And also you can test it like a small group and be able to use it once you use it, and they will send you an email once they say that you'll be able to use it. So right here, something interesting about this is just like right here is the website, and it will tell you about more detail what I'm explaining you right now. But I can tell you like a briefly like a demonstration how to use it. So right here is my Visual Studio, and right now you see some code error because I'm still working on it. So right here you see this like this image right here, like this typing right here, like gray, and right here say accept, tab, then open Copilot, control enter, and right here it will show you right here like something interesting. If we make it big, this is one of my assignment from React Native, which I'm doing it right now. So right here we do this, it automatically show you what they recommend you to do. So if we go right here, type style equal, you have to take this out to be able, let's just click tab. We take out the health, instead of health we put help. Then if we, it automatically show you right here, and you just click tab in your keyboard, and right here say there's some error and you need to compile or something like that. So we can just still continue typing and see how it end up with this, right here. Okay, right here is nothing. So if we go right here, stack dot scream help, it automatically show you like what you're going to type. Like this really easy for you and really faster for you to be able to program, which is kind of interesting at the same time you're learning, and kind of interesting like at the same time it can tell you like what is the error if you keep going and just like go back. That's what I do. And right now we need to create a function, tab, and go return, right, return, automatically does it for me. Then we can just like go and edit, brown color, white, and we do this view to close it. It automatically does it for you. Right here you can see right here it says solution, basically show you like accept solution, accept solution. And if we create a style right here, refresh, Something interesting about this, you just like right now I show you how to create a button, at the same time how to use Copilot with GitHub Copilot. So right here is help, and right here is kind of interesting that it helped me to create a help button as well as a wallpaper. Also, thank you. I hope this tutorial it helped you a lot.